Hello, my name is Byron with Midtown Chimney Fireplace store. Come inside our Conifer location. Let's take a look. So when you come inside the front door, you'll notice along the right-hand side, we have a beautiful Majolica brown, a Bordeaux red, and a traditional satin or matte black. And these are all gas stoves. This is the Radiance, this is the Star Dance, and this is the Intrepid. The brochures are right here on the wall. Moving further in, we have the Outfitter 1 Quadrifire pellet stove called the Outfitter. And we have the classic Bay 1200, which is all over Conifer and Evergreen. Then we have the modern Harmon, what is called the Absolute series, and it's in a beautiful Majolica brown. Then we have the Harmon P43, which is a very traditional Harmon look. We have a Fusion electric stove here. And then we have a series of wood stoves. And these wood stoves are from right to left, the Quadrifire Discovery series, the Millennium series, and the Aspen. Around the store we've got brochure racks. You're welcome to take brochures, our desk and coffee maker. I do hope you'll come in and visit us. Stop by the store in Conifer for your wood, pellet, or gas burning stove and appliance.